Hello and welcome back to another video. This one's on a new Jaguar F Pace 2024 that I've just had. The model is a P400E HSE, and one of the sort of quirks of this, and due to the fact that it has a battery pack in here, is that you kind of lose this little bit of a boot luggage space here because it slopes down, and so I decided that it would probably be better to try and level that off completely. Everything I seem to put in there rolls down here and ends up sticking on this lip. So I came up with this idea of a little homemade shelf. It's made from just some high density foam that I had lying around, and I cut it to shape, lift this mat out of the way and lift this lid, and then you can see the sort of profile there. So I cut this to shape, fitted the foam in first, and then I had some old fabric that was from actually a sort of luggage protector fabric. Just cut that to shape and use some carpet glue. And what it has done now is, one, it's obviously raised that lip slightly higher, but what it does do now is mean, and use this brolly just to show you, that it's flat, it's level, so that, you know, so long as you don't mind having that there, that is nice and supported. The hatch folds down perfectly well, and it's now a flat, out of the sun, a flat load space rather than losing that lip. So yeah, hope that's helpful. I'll add on one or two photographs of the foam that I use, but like I say, it's just a high density foam, something that you can cut to shape, and you know, it's not going to do any harm, but yeah, it certainly works better. That's what it's like before. What does it say? You have that sort of slope, and then pick this back up again for you. I'll show you once more. Here's the handle, there's the space that you get. Obviously everything else under there is battery, as you know, if you've got one of these P400Es, and that's it. Okay, hope that helps. Just a short video on the Jaguar F Pace P400E HSE, and this is a 2024 model. Okay, thank you, bye.